Alright, Toyota YARIS VITZ VIOS. Australian, it's called YARIS. 2008 engine mount replacement. This engine mount's bad. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. There is one hidden nut that will cause you grief. Jack the car up to get access underneath. Remove this shield so you can see it. There's apparently 6 of these you got to remove. To remove this shield so you can get access underneath. Once that nut's done, you can undo the 5 easily, but just make sure the engine's supported. I've done so with a jack and a wooden pan. And then Transgold engine mount, right hand side. This is the old mount. Yeah, you can see it's quite 20 years old. This is the new one. I'll get this one in. The main bolts I've got on, but my Transgold mount, this is on a slightly different angle, which kind of sucks. Because if you look at this one, the OEM goes out straight. So I'm gonna have to grind this off. Done.